Hello friends, welcome to my channel Stylish Rockers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. In this video, let us see how to make a quiz in PowerPoint. During this video, we will be using PowerPoint 2016. To start with, add title in the title box of the first slide. Our quiz will be PUBG quiz. You can also add description over here. To look the slide well, add a background image. Go to Insert tab, click on Pictures. Choose the picture that is more relevant to your quiz. You need to resize the image so that it fits the slide well. Right click on the pic and choose Send to Back so that you can see your text again. To add your question, you need to add another slide. Enter your question in the title box, and to add your option, again go to Insert tab and click on Text box. Put your text box at the appropriate place and enter your text. Likewise, we have added 4 options over here following the same procedure. Add a background image that is more relevant to the question and it illustrates the question well. Again go to Insert tab, click on Pictures, choose the image. Again you need to resize the image so that it will fit the slide well. Again click on right button and click Send to Back so that your text will appear again. After the question, let us see what we need to do. Traditionally, a multiple choice question will have 4 options, out of which one is correct option, also called key, and 3 are wrong answers, also called distractors. So when the learner clicks on the correct option, this slide should prompt up. We need to write a congratulatory message, and if the learner wants to continue the quiz, he need to click on this continue button. If he clicks on the wrong answer out of any 3 of the wrong answers, this slide should prompt up and he has the 2 choices. One is to try again and another is to continue. Following the same process, create the rest of the questions. But when it comes to a true or false question, the congratulatory message contains an extra text which is more descriptive, like this. So you have made your quiz. Now how will you show your feedback slides when he opts a correct answer or a wrong answer? Go to a text box and select the text. Right click and select hyperlink. You need to link the slide which should appear when he opts a particular option. So click on place in this document and link wrong answer to the first slide. Following the same procedure, link the rest of the options to the particular slides which they are relevant to. In this, when he clicks on the continue, you need to link that text box to the next question, that is this one. That's it, your quiz is done. But remember that in PowerPoint you cannot have multiple choice questions with more than one correct answer. To do that, you need other app. Thank you. You are done with your quiz.